Hello students, I hope all of you are ready for your English literature class. All of you take out your book, Honeysuckle, chapter 4. I have already explained you that chapter. Okay, so today we will discuss the question answers and other exercises. Alright, so all of you turn to page 50. Now, exercise A, answer the following questions. So, question 1, where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? So, you can see it is mentioned there in the bracket 3, that is, the answer is in paragraph 3. So, what will be the answer? Kalpana Chawla was born in India. Okay, and if you turn the page, okay, she was born in Karnal, Haryana. All right, but she was a naturalized US citizen. Okay, so she is called an Indian American. Clear? Okay. When and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? So the answer is given in paragraph 2 and 3. Okay. So what will be the answer? So after a bachelor degree of science, okay, after a bachelor of science degree in aeronautical engineering, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. Clear? And she married a flight instructor, okay, Jane Pierre Harrison. Clear? Okay. Now answer 3. So let us see the question. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? So the answer is given in paragraph 3. I'll discuss with you. She applied to NASA's space shuttle program. Okay. And she was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. Then in 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So that is how she became an astronaut. And the next part, what gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? Now again, the answer is given in paragraph 3. Okay. So you see, if you see paragraph 3, okay, besides being an astronaut, she was also licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes, and gliders. And she was also a certified flight instructor. Okay, and then after qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, and that is applying to NASA's space shuttle program. All right. So that is what gave her an idea to be an astronaut. Clear? Okay. Now the next question. Turn over the page. Question 4. What abilities must an astronaut have according to the journalist? So, according to the journalist, okay, the answer is given in paragraph 3. Uh, I'm sorry, it is given in paragraph 6. Okay, so according to the journalist, it takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. Okay, if you turn over the page, you can see over there, that is page 49, paragraph 6. Okay, so it takes an enormous ability to become an astronaut. Okay, and one needs a lot, know a lot about everything from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. Okay, and also encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Clear? So that is the answer. Now let us move on to the next question. Turn over the page. That is question number 5. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. Okay, so that answer will be a bit long because you have to describe it. And the answer is given in paragraph 5. Okay, that is page 48. So you see the reading. Space mission in the Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long. And during this time, she went around the Earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. And the crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. So that is the answer. Okay, that is the description of her first mission in space. So it's clear to you? Okay. Now let us move on to the next question. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing her dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? So that answer is given right above. Okay, that is paragraph 7, page 50. So she says that the path from dreams to success does exist, and she wished that the students had the vision to find it and the courage to get onto it. Okay, and then she wished everybody a great journey. So that was the message, okay, to her students of her college. Okay, about pursuing a dream. So I have discussed all the question answers. Now let us move on to the next exercise, that is exercise B. So read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. So you have to read that report in order to answer all these questions. Okay, like what is the first one? Date and place of liftoff. So if you turn over the page, that is page 46. Okay, so Colombia had lifted off on 16th January. This center. All right, and the next one, number two, number of astronauts on board. So how many astronauts were there? 7. Okay. Number 3. Number of days it stayed in space. "16 days." Okay. Columbia, that is the space shuttle, stayed in space for 16 days. Okay. Now let us move on to the next one. 4. Number of experiments done by scientists. So how many experiments were done? Read the report. You will find it. 80 experiments. Clear? Now, number 5. Date of return journey. That is, first, it was Saturday, 1st January, Saturday 1st February 2003. All right. Now, number 6, height at which it lost contact. So that was an altitude. Altitude means height. An altitude of over 200,000 feet. Clear? So that is the end of exercise B. Okay. Then you have a next part. Okay. Exercise A. Match the following. Okay. So let us see that. Unprecedented space tragedy. Okay. So which will match that. So you move on to the second part. Okay. That is the second last. Sentence given there. A sad accident of a kind that has never happened before in space. Clear? Okay. Then next one, number 2, certified flight instructor. So which will be the answer? That is, if you count the dots, okay, move on to number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth dot, okay. A person with the correct qualification to teach people to fly planes. So that is the answer. All right. Now, next one, that is number 3, space mission. So what will be the answer? Now, you see the fourth dot, okay? A set of jobs to be done in space by a group. Clear? So that is the answer. I hope all of you are following. Next, number 5, encyclopedic knowledge. So that means what? Having a vast knowledge. Okay. So let us find that answer. So if you see the second dot, having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. So that is what encyclopedic knowledge means. So you know what is an encyclopedia, okay? It is a book of knowledge, okay? All right. Now, next one. Awe-inspiring. So let us find that answer. So if you move on to the first point, okay, that is the first dot, something that causes feelings of respect and wonder. All right. So that is the meaning of awe-inspiring. Clear? Okay. And then let us move on to the next one. That is number 7. In this age, oh, I'm sorry, I missed number 4. Okay, so let us go back to number 4, super specialization. Okay, so let us find that answer. So if you see the last point, okay, great expertise in a limited field or a particular subject. Clear? So that is the answer of super specialization. Okay, now let us move on to the last one, that is number 7. In this age, so let us find the answer. So see that point 3, the third dot, nowadays in these times. So that is what in this age means. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood all the question answers and exercises. Okay, so that is all. Okay, I have discussed the question answers with you and the other exercises. I hope all of you have understood. Okay, so I'll stop here now.